Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we go from space to model space if we want to do some changes in our design. To go from paper space to model space, what you have to do is you have to, as you can see, there is a viewport over here. This one is a viewport. So if you want to go in a model space, first of all, you can go like this. You can go to model space and you can do the changes like this. And secondary, what you can do is you can just double click here like this. As you can see now, I can select all those portions like what we want. I want to change here like this. If you want to move from here to here, you can see I can move like this, and the changes will be done in model space like this. And you can just double click out here like this from going towards from model space to paper space like this. Now I cannot select, as you can see. And second option is there is one command which is md ms model space. Enter. Now as you can see, it gets inside viewport like this. Now I can select, and ps is for paper space. Now I'm outside the viewport. So this is the way you can go from paper space to model space to do some changes in your drawing. So I hope you find this video useful too. So take care. Bye bye.